Hi, what is the value of a? Given that you have 5 to the power of a plus 1 equals 100, then let's have it to be solution. Then recall, when you have a to the power of m plus n, this equals as when you have a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So when you apply it to this one, implies that we are going to have 5 to the power of a, again multiplied by 5 to the power of 1. Then equals 100, because when you take a look at this, we have a plus 1, 5 to the power of a plus 1, and that is why we have here to be 5 to the power of a multiplied by 5 to the power of 1 equals 100. So from here we have 5 to the power of a multiplied by 5 to the power of 1 equals 5 equals 100. Then let's divide through by 5. So we believe that this and this will cancel. So we are going to have here to be 5 to the power of a equals 100 divided by 5. We have here to be 20. Then from here, let's introduce log to both sides as log 5 to the power of a to be equals log 20. Then recall also, when you have log a to the power of m, this m will come down to the base as m multiplied by log a. Then this means that this will come down to the base as a multiplied by log 5 will be equals log, let's open the bracket, let's express 20 as the product of 5 times 4. Then remember that when you have log a all in bracket multiplied by b equals as log a plus log b. So therefore from here we have a multiplied by log 5 equals log 5 plus log 4. So when we divide through by log 5, now from here, this and this will divide by this one times a. A will be equals. Let's distribute this for this. We have log 5 divided by log 5 plus log 4 divided by log 5. So we have a to be equals, this divided by this we have 1 plus log 4 divided by log 5. But mind you, from the law of logarithm, that when you have log a divided by log b, this equivalent to as when you have log of a in base of b. So having done this one, when you apply it here, this implies that we can have our a finally to be equals 1 plus log 4 in base 5 as this. So if you are new here and you find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more math tutorial videos. And here are the steps. Then let us check. We have a to be equals 1 plus log 4 in base 5. Then when we now check for the possible value of, we check for this here, let's say to check, we are going to have 5 to the power of a equals 1 plus log 4 in base 5, again plus 1, then is it going to give us 100. When you recall from here, we have plus this one, and our a equals this. So we are going to have 5 to the power of 1 plus 1 will be 2 plus log 4 in base 5, then is it going to give us 100. Remember, when you have a to the power of m plus n, it can be simplified to be equals a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So when you apply it here, we are going to have 5 to the power of 2 multiplied by 5 to the power of log 4 in base 5, then it's going to give us 100. So from here, 5 to the power of 2 will give you 25, then multiply by 5 to the power of log 4 in base 5 is going to give us 100. But remember that when you have a to the power of log b to the base of a, look at this expression, they have the same base as this, then the output will be equals b. So this implies that from here we have 25 multiplied by this and this are the same, the output will be 4. So multiply by 4, which equals 100. 4 times 5 will give us 20. We write 0, we take 2. 4 times 2 will give us 8, plus 2 we have, it will be 10, which equals 100. But in a shortcut, another method, let's call it method 2. We have 5 to the power of a plus 1 equals 100. You know, from here, when you have to be 5 to the power of a multiplied by 5 to the power of 1 equals 100, here will be 5 to the power of a multiplied by 5, which equals 100. Divide this one by 5. Then this and this will cancel. So we are going to have 5 to the power of a to be equals 100 divided by 5 will give us 20. So from here we can introduce log 5 to the power of a in base 5 as this, log 20 in base 5 as this. So obviously here will be a multiplied by log 5 in base 5 equals log 20 in base 5. So here this and this will be 1. We have our a to be equals log of 20 in base 5. This is the shortest way compared to, but the answer is the same thing. The answer is the same thing as this. A can also be written as log 20 in base 5. Bye bye.